What's up, people? What's up, people? I know, man. I know I have to do better with content, man. I'm still learning, man. Forgive me, but it's still cold out here, you know. North Face song, you know. My boy over there, crazy as always, taking a dump. But you know, got a big yard to do that. But yeah, man, ain't nothing been going on. Same old, man. Thank God for another day, you know. Thank God that he's still living. My boy actually 9 years old, man. My boy 9, man. Still active. You feel me? Still active. Yeah, man. But don't forget, y'all. Keep your dogs updated on their shots every year. Not just when they puppies or whatnot. Or just during their first year. For the rest of their life. Because you don't know what they do for or what they missing. But yeah, we got a big yard, man. You know, she over here now. Feel me? I may get another one. Stay tuned.